the girls' bathroom. There's one of the girls. There's a big girl.
Amazing wardrobe.
Ivy and Lola's amazing wardrobe.
And shoes.
Shoes. There's Lola. Smile. Yeah.
This
There's
is our room.
Ivy's bed after one night.
Don't mind how messy.
Lola's bed. And this is the door separating us from them. Thank the Lord.
Wait, I need
Here's our bathroom. The adult bathroom. Ever so organised. Cavernous walk-in shower. This is the wife. This is our wardrobes. Our ventilation. The wife again.
Don't call me the wife.
Sorry. TV. Chair. Desk. Balcony.
We've got neighbours.
That's the beach bar.